Photo Studios Food Edition. I'm so excited to have you here today because we are on part 2 of our black tea series. Today's episode is all about lemon tea, and I'm so excited to be talking to you about lemon tea because I love lemon tea. I mean, who doesn't? And hence the beautiful yellow in the background representing lemons. If you missed our previous episode, which is part 1, make sure to go back and watch it. We shared an introduction to tea and also showed you how to make a quick and easy chai tea or masala tea. The link is also down below. Lemon tea is another favorite of mine. I already said that chai tea was one of my absolute favorites, but guess what? Lemon tea comes in a close second. And I love this tea. It's so wonderful, it's so lovely, and this is only because it has 2 simple ingredients, the black tea and the lemon. This tea is great in the mid-morning, it's also great in the mid-afternoon, and it's also wonderful in the evening after you've had your dinner. I love the beautiful color of lemon. I mean, it is such a gorgeous color. I love these bright yellow lemons that you typically find in the store. But of course they come in various shades of green and yellow, but I absolutely love this particular kind. The fact that lemon has so many health benefits is one of the reasons I love it so much. It helps elevate mood. You can drink it as a tonic, and the fact that it helps give you clear skin is a huge plus for me. Anyway, we'll talk about that in another video. Today I want to show you how to make some lemon tea. So let's get started. Bring water to a boil and then pour the water into a teapot. Then let's add a teaspoon of black tea. We're going to let it steep for 3 minutes. Start to integrate the tea. And once you see the color changing into this beautiful dark brown, pour that into a cup, cut a lemon, take out the seeds. I love the scent of the lemon, it's so uplifting. I'm already in a good mood. And squeeze to add the fresh lemon juice. I'm using honey today to sweeten my tea. Oh, and I'm just gonna sit and enjoy this tea today. This is so good. The lemon brings the tea to a different level. It adds this lovely zing to it, which is otherwise a dull taste of pure black tea. You can also make the lemon tea with different variations. Sometimes I like to add ginger or mint, but I'll show you that in another video. Stay tuned. Okay, I think I'll have another cup. This is so good. And it's okay to have a second cup. You really do deserve it. And trust me, you will thank me later. So there you have it. That's how to make a quick and easy lemon tea. Let us know how it goes in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe because we always love to see you here. Thanks for watching Right Photo Studios, and we'll see you on the next video. Welcome to Right Photo Studios Food Edition. This is our real food made real good series. We also showed you how to make a quick The fact that the lemon has all these healthy, amazing benefits is another reason why you should have tea every single day. And we are on part 2 of our black tea episode. If you missed part 1, make sure to go back and watch it.